Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching these two guys the trade. This is Angelo of 2. CB2 is MIA today. And for today's adventure, we're going to install a Moen kitchen faucet, replace a Moen kitchen faucet, and a soap dispenser. So stay tuned and we will see you inside. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is shut the water off, right? Let me call Joe while you're doing that. And the other one goes to the cold, alright? Make sure they're all the way off. Okay. Hey, good morning, Dave. Is Joe busy at the second? Chuck Barron. And take the rest of that stuff out of there too.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Alrighty, palsy. Let me see one of them rags, Angelo. Oh. We're gonna get a little bit of water here. There we go. That is that. Alrighty. Okay. Do they come with supply tubes on them? Yes. How about lift the faucet up for me? Beautiful. Angel, can I have a pair of the green snips? Awesome. Thank you. Of course, we're fighting the old classic garbage disposal upside your head in this situation here. Alright. You might as well get out my basin wrench too. Alright. That's that. What's this here? Oh, I'll snap this off here. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Oh. Maybe I'll just sniff this whole on edge. Maybe I'll get lucky. Oh yeah, here we go. Boom. Watch your eye. A little bit of water. And boom. And don't get the camera wet. Let's get rid of that. And now let's get rid of this. This confinement reminds me of Pepper Cove. Ain't no doubt. There's your trash. There you go. Alright, now. Oh yeah, look at this. I'll tell you, man, I'm not getting no smaller. Oh, there we go. Bang. Okay. I am going to need that basin wrench, Angelo, because this has a little brass nut here, which, you know, plastic wrenches I get all the time. One would probably fit this. Does that come with one right there? What's it have? No? All right. Let's see if we can get this hands out. We're almost there. Alright. Oh, yeah.
pair of pliers. Let me get a time for this. Let's see what I can get on it. And, oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, Ange, grab the faucets. Just hold them tight for me, alright? I gotta undo this whole nut. Okay, bring it up. You're done. Alright, hold steady. Alright, that nice and straight and square. Alright, I'm going to snug down it now, okay? Is it straight? Alright, straighten it out now. Oh, you know what I'm going to do, Ange? Let me tighten these other nuts down, and then I'll revisit that for the final. Okay, this is the cold. Let's do a loopy-loop right here. They come more hot and cold, Ange. Which is really nice. It's fun working upside down with disposal touching your nose. Can I see the 5/8 wrench hand someplace? No. Let's pull this off here. What's this doing here? Oh, this just snaps on. Alright. Man, this is really nice. Super nice, let me tell you. What kind is this? Oh, it just snaps on. Oh, God. Everything's a snap on. I like it. I actually like it. Alright. Alright, Ange, pull up that faucet down a little bit, see if it drops back down. Is it dropping in? Alright, so let me move it. Can you give me the light back? Try that now. Hold on, let me move these. Try it now.
Yeah.
Let's go back in. Hold on, I'm gonna just a little bit more. It's hitting the trap, that's why. Alright, now try it. How far does it come out? Does it come out to working up the sink?
Yeah, it goes right into like the silver bowl.
Okay.
Let's turn some water on, Dawn.
Tighten the packing nuts. Always tighten the packing nuts, alright?
Always make sure the hot's on though. Coming. So we just put in the Kohler Mistos. No leaks, right? How fun was it?
How fun was it hitting your head 4 times?
I got a couple of lumps on my head. But what's our motto?
I think I got the last one, so this one's you.
It's me. And there goes another satisfied customer.